you know, today itself the notification has been released. So let's visit the website first. Let's check the notification. We can search with the CSIR-NET and you will get the first website, csirnet.india.ac.in. So public notice has been released today itself. You can see 9th of December 2024. So submission of online application form starts on 9 December and you can fill up to 30 December. Last day for payment of fees 31st December. Correction window, most importantly exam date is 16 February to 28 February. Any day in between you will have your examination. So roughly we can say 2.5 months left. And other things are same. 180 questions, 180 minutes, 75 questions, CBT mode, and everything is all same. Now those students who are seriously preparing for it, I have a special course for you guys. Those who want to prepare it in the last 2.5 months and they don't have enough time to look for many sources, I would like to give you a very consolidated course, and in this course you will get the top 100 most important topics. So 3 months, 6 months versions are available. I would recommend you, those who are targeting this exam, they can go for this 3 months course. Okay, and you can check the details. Lot of things are there. In this course you will get top 100 most important topics, and as you can see the main features, you can see you will get video lecture, PDF class notes, short notes, topic as assignment, 24/7 doubt clear. Okay. So here you can see some supplementary. You will get the list of top 100 topics, short notes, all the subject short notes are there, you can see, and lectures on top 100 most important topics. It is not like top 100 topics means only 100 videos will be there. There will be much more than that. In one topic, you know, it is not possible to cover in one video. There may be 2-3 videos together. So you can see lecture on dimensional analysis. In this way, the lecture keep on going in this way. So multiple lectures are there up to lecture number 100. So you can join this course. All the things will get, you see, you will get the video. You can see this is like 3 hours 10 minutes long. Then you will get PDF, video, then PDF, video, PDF. This is class PDFs. You can download the PDFs. Okay, so you will get all the 100 topics covered. You can see the 100 topics. Okay, 100. So in the 100th topic we have the particle physics, and there are 3 lectures for particle physics. So you can go for it, and for you guys especially special offer is launched. So if you go to buy link, I will give the link in the description. This, if you apply this coupon code of top 100, you will get it at 1450 and you can pay now. Okay, so you can consider buying this course. If you are interested in 3 months, you can buy for 3 months, or you can also buy it for 6 month version. So you can check for it, link is given in the description.